In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add relevant YouTube videos to Gemini AI Answer. First, open your Gemini account. If you already use Gemini, simply sign in and head to a new chat. If you're new, create an account and complete the basic setup so you can start prompting right away. Once you're on the main chat screen, you're ready to guide Gemini to include helpful YouTube videos directly in its responses. Now, enter your prompt. Be clear about both your topic and the fact that you want relevant YouTube videos included. For example, you might say, "What are the most in-demand niches on YouTube right now? Please include a few relevant videos or channels with links and explain why they're good examples." This keeps Gemini focused on two things at once: identifying what's trending and adding videos that illustrate those trends. If you prefer, you can use your original idea and ask, "What are the in-demand niches on YouTube?" and then follow up by requesting videos in the next message. Press enter, then wait patiently while Gemini generates the response. Depending on your connection and the complexity of the prompt, this can take a moment. Avoid refreshing or clicking away. Just give it time to compile the best answer. If the first response doesn't include links, ask Gemini to add them. You can say, "Add 3 relevant YouTube videos for each niche," or "Provide channels and recent videos that showcase this niche." Once the answer appears, keep the conversation going with follow-up questions. This is where you refine for quality and relevance. Ask Gemini to focus on your audience, language, or region. Request recency by saying, "Only include videos from the past year." If you need depth, ask for a short summary of each recommended video and why it's a strong fit. If you're comparing niches, ask for performance indicators like average views or engagement benchmarks, and then request matching example videos. You can also ask for alternatives when a link isn't available by saying, "Suggest similar videos with verifiable titles." As you iterate, keep everything in the same chat so Gemini remembers your context. When you're satisfied, you'll have a clear answer, enriched with relevant YouTube recommendations that you can review, bookmark, or share. And that's it. Open Gemini, enter your prompt, press enter, wait for the response, and use follow-up questions to get the exact YouTube videos you need added to the answer.